Hola clase, Profe Hunter here. I want to talk to you about the accent marks in Spanish. You have a couple of different options. I did send out some information and post it on the orientation in the orientation folder. If you're still having problems with your laptop typing the accent marks, I have an alternative for you. You can actually turn your keyboard on your laptop into a keyboard from Spain. And I'm going to show you how to do that. What you're looking at in front of you is if your keyboard were replaced with a keyboard from Spain. The colors that are different, as you see here and here, these are the different things that you'd be able to do with that. So let's show you how to do it, and then I'll tell you how to use it. If you have a Mac computer or laptop like I do, you're going to go up to the little apple here, and then you're going to click on System Preferences. And once that comes up, we're going to go to Language and Region. And then we're going to go down to Keyboard Preferences. And you can see that I already have English and Spanish set up on mine. But if you want to add Spanish to your laptop, click on the plus sign and then choose which one you want. If it gives you a choice of which country, choose Spain. Alright, so that's for a Mac. If you have a PC, a Windows computer or laptop, you're going to go to your control panel or settings, or you can also do a search on your computer, type in language. So you're going to go to the language area on your computer on the Windows, and you're going to add Spanish as the language from Spain. Once you do that and you download the keyboard onto your computer, whether you have a Mac or a PC, you'll have a symbol on your main control bar. Mine's on top and some computers have it on the bottom. Here I chose to use the US flag when I want to type in English. But if I want to type in Spanish, I just click on the flag and change it to Spain. And that lets me know that my keyboard is now running as if it were a Spanish keyboard. For Windows, most of the time it's going to show as ENG when your keyboard is in English and ESP when your keyboard is in Spanish. So once you've downloaded the keyboard, and you put the keyboard in Spanish, you never have to worry about typing out alt codes or, holding down buttons and then pressing all these different numbers. You don't have to do that anymore. All you have to do to type accent marks once your keyboard is in Spanish is press this key on your keyboard and then let go of it and press whichever vowel you want to put an accent mark on. So if you want to make an A with an accent, you're going to press this key on your keyboard and then you're going to press the letter A, and that will produce the accent mark on your keyboard. So I hope this is helpful. Let me know if this was useful for you, and if you have any other questions, please reach out to me. I'm happy to help. Gracias.